Greetings, children. Welcome to your online classes. This is Aishwarya. We are going to take class for first standard, subject General Science, chapter 4, Air Properties Uses Clean Air, part 2. Now, part 1, you learned about different kinds of air, that is, moving air is called wind. Then, pleasant, slow wind is called breeze. Fast moving and strong wind is called gale. Then you learnt about different properties of water. That is, air is invisible. That means we cannot see air. Then air has weight. Air takes up space. Air has no taste. Then we even learnt about different uses of air. That is, all living things need air. Then air is necessary to burn things. Then air is filled in cycles, balloons, balls. Then birds need air to fly. Aeroplanes need air to fly. Right? We're going to continue with the lesson. Air is important to all the plants and animals. Now, you must know that plants also respire. Plants also breathe. When human beings and animals, birds and plants inhale air, they also take in oxygen. When they exhale, they give out carbon dioxide. Now they take we when we breathe, we take in oxygen. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen only during the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is when they are preparing their own food. Now plants or the animals, we take in oxygen when we breathe in. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. CARBON, carbon. DIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. OXYGEN, oxygen. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. These two are the new words for you. You should learn it. Okay. Now, we know that we need air to breathe. So when we breathe clean air, when you're near plants, when you're in a garden, when you're outside, in the clean surrounding, you can breathe very nice. You feel fresh, you feel nice. But when you breathe in the city, when it is polluted, it makes us fall ill. It makes us unhealthy. This is the picture of a unhealthy air. And this is a picture of a healthy air. If the surrounding is clean, if our air that we breathe is clean, it keeps us healthy. And if the air is polluted, it makes us fall ill. We become sick. Understood? Now we are going to learn what makes air polluted. Okay, what are the things that make the air get polluted? First thing is burning coal or wood. Burning anything gives out lot of smoke. This smoke gets mixed with the air and it causes suffocations for us to breathe, which causes the air pollution. Air pollution means when the air is contaminated or the air is not clean. That time we call it as air pollution. We as human beings are doing so many things for the air to for polluting the air, which we have to reduce. The first thing among those is burning coal or wood, or burning anything for that matter. If you burn a plastic or if you burn a water bottle, it gives out lot of smoke, which is not good for our health. Then all vehicles emit pollutants. Pollutants means, as you can see in the picture, lot of smoke is emitted from the cars, from the two-wheelers in the cities. These pollutants or these smoke gets mixed with the air and makes the air polluted. Okay. Then third one is factories emit pollutants. Factories, large of huge factories, they pollute. This gas will be coming out of the factories 24 hours. This air, when it gets mixed with the air, it pollutes the air. We cannot breathe that air. It is not good for our health. These are the things that we are doing to pollute the air. And one thing that we all do is burst crackers during the festivals. We should not burst crackers during festivals. Bursting crackers emits lot of smoke when you burst it. This smoke is not good for breathing. Sometimes it causes wheezing or asthma or different kinds of problems when we burst firecrackers. Then power plants. Power plant means the place where the power is generated or your electricity is generated. There also a lot of smoke is emitted, which makes the air polluted. And generators, now these generators also, they are used in when there is power cut. This generation provide us power or light. So these generators also emit lot of pollutants into the air. How to now it is our now because we have dirty the air, it is our responsibility to keep the air clean. And uh, now I would like to make tell you something. When you go on a drive, you can see lots of trees along the road. Why do you think there are trees along the road? Vehicles pollute the air a lot, but the plants and trees decrease the pollutants in the air. Trees provide shade. If you have to take a break from your drive, you can rest under the tree. So, what are the different things that you need to do to help reduce to keep the air clean? First is grow plants. Plants and trees keep the air clean. Okay. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. So we feel better and fresh when there are lots of trees and plants around us. Plants take in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not good for us. We give out carbon dioxide, and plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. In this process, the air becomes clean. So we should grow more and more plants and trees as much as possible. Then carpooling. The other things that you can do to keep the air clean is carpooling. Carpooling means where if few people living in the same area are going to same place. Now your parents are all living, let's say for example, in Rajajinagar. All of them have to go to work in Whitefield. Instead of taking four different cars, all of them can go in a single car. The four people can go in a single car to the same destination. That is called carpooling. When the destination is same, the place you have to reach is same, you can go in that same car. That is called carpooling. Next is switching off the lights and appliances when not in use. This is something that me, you, everybody, each one of us can do. When you're in the room, when you're in that place, you can switch on the light, you can switch on the fan. But if you're not in that room, please don't switch on the light, please don't switch on the fan. Do not leave any appliances or any electric items which you're not using turned on. You should always switch it off after you use it. That is the good thing to do to save our environment. You should always turn off the light and appliances when not in use. Then do not use too many sprays. Too many sprays for this, the disinfectant sprays, the sprays to kill mosquitoes, the sprays to kill cockroaches. All those things has lot of chemicals in it. So you should try to reduce them as much as possible. You should not use them unnecessarily. We should never use anything unnecessarily. Then, not bursting crackers during festivals. This is something that we all do, isn't it? We burst a lot of crackers. Daddy, bring one box of crackers, bring 5 boxes of crackers. We'll burst crackers for Diwali. Now, I think in the next month, Diwali and different festivals are coming up, and I request you not to burst crackers, because bursting crackers gives out lot of uh, pollutants. They give out lot of unnecessary air, that is a lot of pollutants into the air. So it is better we reduce as much as possible. Don't burst the crackers during festivals, and do not use vehicles unnecessarily. Uh, if you can go to the nearby shop to buy something, you can go by walk and bring it. Instead of that, some of you will opt to go by car or opt to go by two-wheelers, which you're using a lot of petrol. Again, you're emitting a lot of gas into the air, which is again polluting the air. So we should not use anything unnecessarily. So this was about the lesson air. You learned about different properties of air, you learned about different uses of air, and what is clean air, and what are the things we are doing to pollute the air, and what are the things that we have to do to reduce the pollution of the air. You learned in this lesson. Thank you, children. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe, and Take care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you.